we can play dress-up games with our character. Choose the part of the clothes you want to change. This is a gas station. Every car needs fuel to go. Daddy is going to show us all the process. Open the fuel filler. Put the fuel filler cap on its place. Fill the tanks with oil and brake fluid. Tap arrows to direct the car.
Of the game with bonuses and without ads, please ask your parents to do it.
This is a gas station. Welcome to the tire service. Help Vlad and Nikki to change a wheel. Raise car. Tap on the up button. This wheel could easily fall off. It has only 2 bolts. We need to put the wheel tightly on 4 bolts. Lower the car. Tap on the down button.
Thanks, Vlad.
Tap arrows to direct the car. The client is